If you're worried about your 401k losing value due to inflation, you're not alone. Many retirees are in the same boat, watching their hard-earned savings lose purchasing power year after year. But here's the good news. There are strategies to protect your 401k from inflation while maintaining growth. And today, we're going to dive into exactly how to do that. Now, you might be wondering, how can you shield your 401k from inflation and still see it grow? It's all about diversifying your portfolio and making smart adjustments. One key strategy is adding alternative assets that hedge against inflation. Gold, for instance, has been a time-tested way to preserve wealth. In fact, many Americans are turning to gold IRAs for just this reason. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, I highly recommend checking out the free guide in the description that explains why thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs. It's a smart move, and it could be the protection your 401k needs. The first thing you need to understand is that inflation erodes the purchasing power of cash. When inflation rises, your savings in traditional 401k funds, especially if they're heavily invested in cash or low-risk bonds, can lose value over time. If you're relying solely on these to grow your savings, you might be missing out on growth opportunities. But there's a way to counteract this. Diversify into investments that rise in value when inflation increases. Stocks are one of the most common inflation-protected assets, but they come with their own set of risks, especially if the market experiences volatility. Real estate is another option, offering a hedge against inflation because property values and rental income tend to increase with inflation. However, not everyone has the time or resources to manage real estate investments. That's where a gold IRA stands out. Gold tends to perform well in times of economic uncertainty and inflation. It holds its value much better than paper currencies or stocks in the long run. With a gold IRA, you can invest in physical gold, which is a proven store of value. And because it's in an IRA, it also offers tax benefits, just like your traditional 401k. Now, let's talk about bonds. While bonds are generally a safer option, their returns often don't outpace inflation. If you're holding a significant portion of your 401k in bonds, you're likely losing out on potential growth. Inflation can outstrip bond yields, especially in periods of rising interest rates. Gold, on the other hand, has the potential for growth that keeps pace with inflation, making it an ideal alternative to bonds. But how do you add gold to your 401k? It's simpler than you might think. Through a gold IRA, you can roll over a portion of your existing 401k or IRA into physical gold. The process is straightforward, and many gold IRA companies offer expert guidance to help you navigate it. If you want to learn more about how a gold IRA can protect your savings, click the first link in the description for a free guide that explains everything. Trust me, it's worth checking out. Another important factor in protecting your 401k from inflation is monitoring your asset allocation. You should review your portfolio regularly to make sure it aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. If you're not sure what the best allocation looks like for you, consulting with a financial advisor who specializes in retirement planning can be a great step. But remember, not all advisors are created equal. Some might push you towards traditional investments that aren't suited to the current economic climate. That's why gold IRAs are so valuable. They offer protection in uncertain times and help ensure your retirement savings aren't eroded by inflation. To sum it up, protecting your 401k from inflation and ensuring it grows requires smart diversification, regular portfolio reviews, and most importantly, the inclusion of assets like gold that can withstand economic volatility. If you're looking to safeguard your 401k with a proven strategy, consider a gold IRA. It's an ideal solution for anyone with 100k or more in their IRA or 401k, and especially for those with 5M pluses in savings. Don't wait until inflation has already taken a toll on your wealth. If you want to protect and grow your retirement savings, click the link in the description for the best free gold IRA guide and consultation. It's perfect for retirees who want to protect their wealth and take action today.